a chance to try out the angle kits. Yes, it's snowing and might do some snow skids. I don't know, we'll see. I know it's not drifting and it's not relative at all, but it is fun. Who doesn't like fucking around in the snow? I mean, I do. I know a lot of friends that do. And I just want to see. I'm curious to see how much, this is actually going to help and where the limit and everything is on the new angle kits. Just want to see, how far you can throw it before you start to lose it. So stay tuned. I'm going to check it out. A shitload of fun, and this angle kit, I cannot say anything like, Jesus, this thing is awesome. So that was fun. I wish I could actually go drifting. I wish I lived in like Florida or something where I could drift year round, but I live in Illinois and it's always snowing, and you never know if it's going to be 55 and sunny or negative 13 and blizzard. You never know. So it's fun to get out there and test it. I've been having the itch to go out and drive and just feel it out. So hopefully one of these days when I actually get a nice day to go out and it's dry, I'll probably put together like a little drift montage or put a couple clips in and might go street drifting or something. We'll see. But as of right now, this angle kit is amazing. Even in the snow, you can tell the difference. I absolutely love it. This thing is amazing. You guys got to pick one up. Don't just pick one up because I told you to. Pick one up because you need to. This is crazy. I mean, I'm at what, 63? I think I ended up measuring it out to. It's supposed to be about 55. but I did shave a couple areas on the knuckle, and I also shaved down that shock bolt, so I was able to get a little bit more. And right now the limiting factor is on the trailing wheels, whichever side it is, if I'm going lock to left or lock to right, the limit is the caliper bolts. So for the banjo bolt for the brakes, that's the limiting factor, and then nothing else bottoms out on the lead wheel. So I could probably get a little bit more. That's probably why they have the knuckle kit for the Mega Mantis, is so that way you can, you know, it puts it at a different orientation, so that way the brake caliper's a little bit further out or something. I will check with Josiah and find out for sure and let you guys know. I just I couldn't justify spending, you know, that extra amount for the Mantis kit, the Mega Mantis. I mean, the Mantis for what I need it for is going to be perfectly fine. As always, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.